Hello guys, I'm Nicholas Lopez, and today I have my final project ready. It's a one-lane bridge with a flood sensor for safety and a timer for fairness. So, to start off with an example, car comes up on this side, turns green, they pass, yellow, red. Same thing with this side, green, pass, yellow, red. Here on the screen we say, caution one-lane bridge. And so now if two cars pull up, we'll see that there's a timer mechanism for fairness. Every few seconds, it'll switch between them like actual street lights. And now for the safety mechanism, which is the flood sensor. Once that activates, you can see how it says warning flash flood, and both the sides won't be able to open or turn green, as if there was a flood happening. And that's pretty much it. A little bit on the build, same thing as last time. Servo attached with some 3D printed objects. For that, got the two sensors, same thing on both sides. Lights and screen attached. On the backpack around, everything pretty neatly hidden in the front. And now let's get into the code. Starting off on the code, we see there's some set variables here: wdist, wlight, edist, elight, wtime, and etime. So next up, we're going to look at the void setup. So these three lines of code represent the three lights on the left side of the bridge. This next one represents the servo on the left side of the bridge, which is the gate. Same thing with these four, but on the right side. The three lights, the right gate. These next three represent the LCD screen. And now we're going into the void loop, which is the main body of the code. So we initiate tilt equal digital read 1. So pretty much if the tilt sensor is low, it'll state caution one lane bridge. Else, if it's high, activating the flood sensor, it'll say warning flash flood. And it'll delay blink in half-second intervals. So now we're going to look at the bridge code. So we see here, if wdist, which is the sensor, is less than 6 inches, or the timer reaches 30, and edist is away 6 inches, we will first start by turning off green and then turning on the yellow light for 1 second, which we can see here, and then turning the yellow light back off and turning on red. And we'll set wlight to 0 and wtime to 0. Close the gate by setting the servo to rotate 90 degrees. Else, if elight is equal to 0, then we turn off the red light, turn on green, set wdist to 1 and open the gate, and then set the servo to move. So this is saying if there is a light, or if there is a car over the sensor, it'll turn green until they go, and then it'll start this, which will be the turning on the yellow light and then the red light, and closing the gate. Same thing goes for the right side, but here at the bottom we see there's some code that helps us set up our timer for the the fairness check. So it's equal on both sides. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.